subtract, multiply, and divide in Microsoft Excel. I want to share to you in this video how to calculate it in Microsoft Excel. In this example, I make on student exam, and this I want to show the result of the student exam 3 score. First, I click on the top cell, and there are 3 scores such as English, computer, and skill that we need to plus all of this. Okay, we back to this cell, and next press equal sign, and click on the first cell, and after press plus sign, and click second score, and after press plus sign, and click this last score. Ready, press enter. Okay, the total score is so all. Anyway, after you calculate, and you meet this problem, score show only one student. Exactly, you can do like this. Left click and hold it down. The outcome of the result show all. Okay, with the calculate using add in Microsoft Excel is done. Subtract in Microsoft Excel. So this is the example that I used the subtract calculate in Microsoft Excel. So this is my inventory in stock. And there are two information are stock in and stock out. And wants to know amount in stock. How can I do? Okay, I will say to you now. Equal, click on the stock in amount, and press minus sign. And after, click on out stock, and press enter. So here is the result after you calculate. Okay, with the subtract calculate in Microsoft Excel is done. Multiply in Microsoft Excel. This is my example that I will share to you in this video. Here is the stock in inventory, and next columns I have quantity and price. And after, I want to show the result in the total columns. Okay, first click on the first cell and press equal. Next, click on the quantity and press * sign. And after, click on price and press enter. Okay, the result we see that the quantity multiply with price. Click on this button to format to currency. Okay, with the multiplies is done. Divide formula in Microsoft Excel. Okay, this is my example that I would like to share to you. Here is my student list, and they have 3 scores: computer, English, and skill. And we would like to show the average result in this column. What should we do? First, press equal and open parentheses. Click on the first score and press plus sign. After, click second score and press plus signs again. Next, click on third score and close parentheses and press the forward slash and press the number 3. After, press enter to show result. So this is the outcome of the average result of the student. After, click on this button to show number behind the decimal point. In short, I would like to show you that if you want to find the average score of the student, we sum 3 scores, computer, English, and skill, and divide 3 scores to get a result. So like this example. Okay, that we using divide calculate in Excel is done.